Hello and welcome to the Resilient Architecture Research online course by Open Online Academy. My name is Ivan Shumkov, I'm founder of the Academy, and I'm honored to teach this course together with Arno Rivera and Ilac Diaz. This course is the first one of a series of 3 courses that are dedicated to resilient design. We're starting the first course with research because we think that it's very important for all the participants in this course to understand what are those elements and construction techniques that make buildings sustainable. We will look at different typologies of building, mainly residential, and analyze the aspects of the buildings that first of all make them resilient, and second that allow us to build these kind of projects. We will work on this project in teams, and in some of the next videos I'll explain you how to form the teams, how to communicate with the professors, and what the outcomes of this course are. This course is a continuation of another sequence of courses that we did last year, which were on resilient schools and emergency shelters. Now we're focusing our attention on the problem of housing. And in fact, housing or houses constitute about 95% of the built environment. Everything else, public buildings, offices, and so on, are only about 5%. So this is really important aspect of architecture, and that's why we'll dedicate to it a period of about 4 months. In this first course, as I said, we'll be studying precedents for houses which are built in areas affected by natural disasters. For example, typhoon, hurricanes, floods, fires, earthquakes, and so on. In the next course, which is designing resilient homes, we will do actual designs of buildings. So this one is the precedent study and research. The next one will be applied design course. The course will last for 6 weeks, in which we will go into first part of introduction. Afterwards, we'll study what constitutes space and what defines the quality of a space. What are the different shapes of building that make a building resilient. In the third week, we will look at the building structure, the foundation, the different materials, the different building techniques and structures that are resilient. In the next 4th week, we'll look into the building enclosure or building facade and roof, and how the building protects from the outside, how the building protects from the elements. In the following week, 5th one, we'll look at the building system. So we'll look into how a building can be more sustainable in terms of its energy, in terms of its water management, in terms of its air circulation, and last but not least, in terms of the waste management of a building, or how what comes from a building can be recycled and reused. In the last 6 weeks of the course, we'll have a week for the final presentations. And in these final presentations, participants in the course will be invited to put together their research into the form of a book, which later would be collected with other research of participants and would be edited as a book that will be distributed to the course participants and to others. In this course, you will receive weekly feedback either through our virtual meetings, which I will tell you more about, or through the Facebook group and the forum on EdCast on our course platform. So I look forward to working with you. Welcome to the course and thank you for joining us. And in the next videos, I'll explain some other more specific aspects of our work throughout this course.